Hi guys, welcome to my channel and page The Tech Geek. This video is part of the series on Microsoft Excel. Today the Tech Geek is here to discuss what is advanced if function and how to use nested if function in different business scenarios. Stay tuned till end to learn something new about nested if. Let's get started. In our previous video, we discussed what is basic if function. Later, we saw three arguments of if function, which are logical test, true expression, and false expression. Lastly, we saw an example where we applied if function to calculate surcharge on fragile items based on one logical test with one true and false expression. Now let's see what is advanced if function. Use of advanced if function involves using more than one if formula in Excel formula to enable logical testing on multiple criteria to increase number of possible outcomes. Nested if is when you place another if function in false argument to check other logical criteria. To get better idea on this, have a look on upcoming example. Example 1. Grades. Assume you are working in a business school as professor assistant. Professor has given you assignments of students for preparing a summary where you need to list down student marks and assign grades to students according to their marks allocated by the professor. This summary is required urgently for the next class today afternoon, in which professor has to announce result assignments submitted by students. Professor has told you to assign A grade for students with marks equal to and greater than 90. Then assign B grade for students with marks equal to and greater than 80 but less than 90. Then assign C grade to students with marks equal to and greater than 70 but less than 80. Then assign D grade to students with marks equal to and greater than 60 but less than 70, while assigning F grade to students with less than 60 marks. For achieving this purpose, we will write nested if formula, which is equal to IF left parenthesis F3 greater than and equal to 90, comma, inverted comma, A, inverted comma, again comma, F left parenthesis F3 greater than equal to 80, comma, inverted comma, B, inverted comma, F left parenthesis F3 greater than equal to 70, comma, inverted comma, C, inverted comma, again comma, F left parenthesis F3 greater than equal to 60, comma, inverted comma, D, inverted comma, inverted comma, F, inverted comma, right parenthesis 4 times. Now copy this formula to other cells to assign grades to all students in one go. I would like to explain that you don't need to write full expressions such as greater than and equal to 80 but less than 90, because second if expression will only be processed if value is being evaluated is less than 90. If this was not the case, grade A would have assigned in first if expression. This sequence goes on till F, as we don't write yet assign F to students with marks less than 60, because it is implied with the nested if that if previous expressions are false, value is definitely less than 60. Example 2. Sales commission. Assume that you have recently joined in finance department of a company and your company pays commission to sales team against weekly sales made by the sales team. You have been asked to calculate sales commission for the last week's sales so that same can be paid to sales team. You can easily do this by nested if formula as we saw in previous example. You need to write correct syntax for a nested if according to current situation, which is equal to IF left parenthesis F3 greater than and equal to 800, comma, 10%, comma, again F left parenthesis F3 greater than and equal to 700, comma, 8%, comma, again F left parenthesis F3 greater than and equal to 600, comma, 6%, comma, again F left parenthesis F3 greater than and equal to 500, comma, 4%, comma, 0%, right 4 parentheses. This syntax will calculate sales commission percentage, based on which sales commission of employees can be calculated by simply multiplying sales commission percentage with weekly sales. In this video, we briefly recall what the basic if function do and syntax to use it and what makes it advanced if or nested if. Later on, two business scenarios were discussed to see how the advanced if function can help in a real life situation. I hope I explained it very well, but still if you have any query, you can drop your question in comments section. If you learned something new from this video, I would be happy to know about this through comment section. Hope you like the content by now. Please also share it with your friends too so that they can also learn something new. Channel and page links are available in description. Subscribe my channel on YouTube and click bell icon, and also like my page on Facebook and follow. This way you will be able to keep track of my upcoming new videos. Link to related Excel videos playlist is appearing on your YouTube screen now. Check this out for learning more. Thank you for watching the video.